Namaste. Today we will learn how to practice Kapalbhati. Kapalbhati is a kriya. It is not a pranayama. It is a skull shining kriya. That means it gives glow not only to your forehead but to your entire body. A lot of people have a misconception that if we practice Kapalbhati, we would be able to reduce weight. Up to some extent, it is a truth, but there is a logic behind it. We should understand first how and why. When we practice Kapalbhati Kriya, we stimulate our abdominal muscles. When we stimulate our abdominal muscles, what happens? The digestion improves. When digestion improves, metabolism improves. And that is how you reduce weight. But this is not the only benefit. When we improve our digestion, all the issues related to indigestion like gastritis, flatulence, acidity, it relieves those issues. We feel energetic. A lot of energy gets generated when we start pumping through our navel center. Without much of the gyan, let's begin the practice. Sit in comfortable cross-leg position. Sit straight, bring your spine tall. Bring your both hands in Dhyana Mudra. That means tip of the index finger and thumb touches each other. Gently rest your palms facing up on your knees. Slightly bend your elbows. Roll your shoulders back. Expand your lungs so that prana can flow through your entire body without any interruption. Gently close your eyes. Inhale. Exhale. See, we need to understand when we practice Kapalbhati, there is a passive inhalation that happens and forceful exhalation. When we exhale the breath forcefully, we have to push our abdomen in. Please remember, it is not full inhalation. It is a passive inhalation and forceful exhalation. While doing this, we have to pump through our navel center. Let's begin the practice now. Inhale, exhale. For next 30 seconds, pump through your navel center. Passive inhalation, forceful exhalation. Take a deep breath in, hold your breath, apply chin lock, stay there. Focus on your third eye chakra. Exhale your breath. Release your chin lock and then exhale. Second round, inhale. Exhale. Begin the Kapalbhati practice for another 30 seconds. Pump through your navel center. Practice with all the passion. Stay with your practice. The more you practice, the more you get benefited out of it. Do not leave even a single day without practicing yoga. It is not an exercise. It is how you connect with your own self. It is a self-spiritual journey. Take a deep breath in. Hold your breath inside. Apply chin lock. Release chin lock. Exhale your breath. Let's do one more round. Inhale. Exhale. Begin pumping through your navel center. Passive inhalation, forceful exhalation. When you exhale, you are pushing your abdomen in. Stay with your practice. Keep your eyes closed. Turn inward. The more you pump through your navel center, you will be able to activate the Manipur chakra. All your digestion issues will go away. Your immunity improves. Metabolism improves. Take a deep breath in. Hold your breath inside. Apply chin lock. Release chin lock. Exhale your breath. Relax. Breathe normally. Thank you so much. Namaste.